Positive divisors of 50,000 is, so we can find positive divisors with the help of tau n function. So what is tau n function? This is tau n function. Normally we use this notation tau n, and first write n as a powers of primes. So suppose this n can be written as p1 raised to the power k1, p2 raised to the power k2, p3 raised to the power k3, and so on up to pl raised to the power kl. So how to write tau n, or how we can use tau function? So tau function use powers only. So it will be k1 plus 1, k2 plus 1, and so on up to kl plus 1. And in compact form we can use, because of this is a product, so I can use ki plus 1, and I is running from 1 to l. So this is the normal structure for tau n, and tau n use only powers of primes. So given number is 50,000. So write 50,000 as the powers of primes. So it can be written as 25 to the 50 and 25. So I can write 5 raised to the power 2, and now this is 50 and 10 raised to the power 3. Or here I can use 2 into 5 raised to the power 2 into 2 into 5 raised to the power 3. So simply I can use 2 raised to the power 4 and 5 raised to the power 5. So these are primes power in product of prime powers. Also tau has the property, means tau n can be written as tau if factors are only n1 and n2. So it can be written as tau n1 and n2 if n is n1 into n2. So we can write tau 50,000 as tau 2 raised to the power 4 and tau 5 raised to the power 5, or I can use tau 2 raised to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power 5. So use powers only. So powers are 4 plus 1, so need to add 1, and 5 plus 1. So 5 into 6, answer is 60, and from this one I can use 4 plus 1, this is tau function, into 5 plus 1, again we are getting 30. So how we are getting this formula or this structure of tau n? Basically this is very simple one, as I already told you how I can use tau function. So tau n is k1 if this is powers, k2 plus 1, and so on up to kl plus 1. This is tau n, and if n can be written as p1 raised to the power k1, and so on pl k raised to the power kl. So how many factors of this p1 raised to the power k1? Factors of p1 raised to the power k1 will be, 1 is always the factor of any number, and p1 obviously we use if p1 raised to the power k1 is divisible by any number. Suppose any number is d, then p1 raised to the power p1 will also be divisible by d. This is a theorem, and we use this theorem in 10th standard of CBSE board in chapter 1. So we are using this one. Similarly, so p1 has factor p1 square, p1 cube means 1 power 1, 2 power 3, other powers will also be the factor up to k1. So these are factor of p1 raised to the power k1. So how many factors p1 raised to the power k1 means this is extra factor, so k1 plus 1. So total number of factors of this is k1 plus 1. Similarly, p2 k2 has factor k2 plus 1 and so on. Others prime powers will have factors k3 plus 1 and so on, going like this. So total factors, so need to find total factors. So we need to multiply them. So n equal to p1 raised to the power k1, p2 raised to the power k2 and so on, because of these are in product. So use k1 plus 1 because of this has this factor and this one has k2 plus 1 number of factors, and similarly other ones means kl plus 1. So these are divisors, total divisors.